You're ambitious, full of big ideas, that you freeze when it's time to act. Want to change your life, but end up on the couch again? If you're ambitious but lazy, this video is for you. It's not a willpower issue. It's not that you don't care. There's something in your brain holding you back. Today, you're going to understand exactly what it is. If you know deep down you could be doing more, but you're stuck, stay with me. Watch this till the end. If you're ambitious but lazy, your breakthrough starts now. Chapter 1. The Inner Struggle. Ambition versus laziness. You've got big ideas, big dreams, you feel like you're meant for more. Somehow something holds you back. You plan, you dream, you promise yourself. But when it's time to act, you freeze. Feels like laziness, but it's not. It's like there's an invisible wall between you and doing the thing. And the worst part? You beat yourself up about it, wondering why it's so hard to just start. So many ambitious people live in this exact cycle. It's not because you don't care. It's because your brain sees anything hard as a threat. It defaults to comfort. But the problem isn't you. It's your brain's autopilot trying to protect you. The good news is, you can break this loop and use your ambition as your greatest tool. Chapter 2. The Real Issue. It's not a lack of ambition. Let's make something clear. You're not lazy. You've got ambition. You want big things. And that already puts you ahead of most. The real problem is that you try to leap when you really just need to take one small step. Just thinking about changing your life can feel exhausting. Why? Because your brain gets overwhelmed by big goals. So it fights back with resistance, boredom, or distraction. It's like your mind whispers, "Let's not deal with that right now." And suddenly you're scrolling your phone again. Not because you don't care, but because you're avoiding the stress of effort. But what if there was a way around that mental block? What if you could trick your brain into helping you instead of stopping you? Good news. You can. And here's how. Chapter 3. Step 1. Start small. Like really small. The first rule to beat procrastination is this. Don't go big. Go tiny. Read one page. Do one stretch. Drink a glass of water. What matters is that you just begin. Your brain won't freak out over something easy. And once you start, momentum kicks in. It's like pushing a stuck car. The hardest part is getting it to move at all. You don't need to write a whole book today. Just open the dock and write a sentence. You don't need to run 5 miles. Just lace up your shoes. One move. That's it. This works because it teaches your brain that action doesn't have to be painful. It just has to start. And once it starts, everything shifts. Movement creates momentum. Chapter 4. Step 2. Build routines that do the work for you. Depending on motivation is a trap. It comes and goes. But you know what sticks, even on low-energy days? Routine. Routine is your secret weapon. It gets things done without you overthinking. Your brain loves patterns. When you do something every day, it turns into autopilot. And once it's automatic, you don't have to fight yourself to do it. It's just part of your flow. Want to read more? Leave the book on your pillow? Want to work out? Keep your shoes by the door? Change your environment to make the action easier? And you'll actually do it. Routines hold you up when motivation fails. So stop waiting to feel ready. Instead, build habits that make the decision for you, even on your worst days. Chapter 5, Step 3. The 2-minute rule, the thing that stops most people. Starting, just getting going, feels like a wall. That's why the 2-minute rule is so powerful. Commit to doing just 2 minutes. That's it. Want to read one page? Want to clean? One drawer? Want to exercise? One stretch? The goal isn't to do it all. It's just to begin. Because once you're moving, it's way easier to keep going. Think of a train. Getting it to move takes effort. But once it's rolling, it's almost unstoppable. Same thing with habits. That little push is all you need to get into motion. And here's the cool part. If you want to stop after 2 minutes, that's totally fine. Most of the time you won't because you've already started. And starting is everything. Conclusion, now tell me this. What tiny action could you take today to move toward your goal? Don't wait for Monday. Don't wait to feel ready. Just start now with what you've got. You're not lazy. You just need to work with your brain, not against it. If this video made sense to you, hit that like button. It helps a lot and shows me you're with me. Drop a comment below telling me your biggest goal and what your first small step will be. And if you want more content like this, hit subscribe. There's a lot more coming for people with big dreams. We're finally ready to stop feeling stuck. We're in this together. See you in the next one.